Right then everyone, welcome to today's video. Thanks for all my new subscribers, courtesy of Martin there. Now then, two things for today's video. First thing you can see there is this rather cool fairground ride I got. Now it was sold to me as made in Japan, but I've looked all over it. I can't find where it says made in Japan anywhere. I don't know what it is, but sometimes I can't find where it says anything, and then when I look back at the video, instantly I can see it says something on it, but I haven't been able to find it yet. But anyway, judging by the artwork on it, around the base there, we have people playing table tennis. Then we got some girls skipping. And then we got some kind of, I think it's ice skating possibly there. And then gymnastics. Okay. Now, this reminds me of a fairground ride I used to remember called the Octopus. Obviously that had 8 arms. They go up and down as the thing turns round, and the cars are supposed to spin round on the ends of the arms. One of them does. I mean, I have oiled it all, but it doesn't seem to do it properly. But anyway, I'll show you this going. There you go. It has a brake on it, which is rather good because it stops it moving when you're winding it. It winds from underneath. Okay, so I don't know if the brake's on or not. We'll have to find out in a minute. This has taken a lot of oiling because it didn't really work when I got it. It was all like jammed up. So here we go. Right, the brake's not on, is it? I'll put the brake on. There we go, and then we can get it nice and straight there. Okay, you ready for this? Right, here we go. And it's got this sort of bell thing in it that rings as well. So here we go. Didn't cost much money. Didn't have a box, that's why. Maybe it had a box, but I know more about where it was made. I don't. So there you go. There's that thing. And then the next thing I have, keeping with the Japanese theme, supposing that even is Japanese. Oh dear, it won't stop. We have this Yone or Yonezawa wind-up road roller in his box. There you go. Now, there's a lot of these about at the minute, available on eBay. I think they're old shop stock, you know, new old stock is what they're known as. A lot of them about. This one, right now, £7.50. I thought, why not? Obviously, I think it's 1970s because it has that window in the box there. It's like cars used to come like that, die-cast cars. But I have seen them for a lot more than that. I did see one for £39.50. So, you know, it pays to shop around, doesn't it? So there we go, that's how it looks there. This is the end of the box. Has that sort of view there of it sort of juddering about. It doesn't judder about, I wish it did. It would be good. There's the back of the box, tells you what it does. Back and forth action. There you go. And that's basically what it does. It goes backwards and forwards. So we'll take it out of the box and you can have a look. Okay, I'll just move this. Right, now then. Nails in. Okay. Here we go. So, this is how it looks. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Tinplate body and roof. The wheels are plastic. The lights appear to be plastic. Oh, well, I've never seen a steamroller with lights like that at the front. Like racing car lights, that's really strange. There, plastic base, the key is built in. Got quite a good dashboard there, you can see that. It's quite good, isn't it? There you go, there's a front view of it there. Okay. So, yeah, it does what it does. Goes backwards and forwards. Let's have a go, shall we? Ready now to do this. Right, here we go. Let's see what this does. I haven't done anything to this because it's new, basically. So here we go. Oh God. It wants to run off the table. Yes, that's it, isn't it? Can't steer it, so it only goes in a straight line. So there's that. That's what happens if you lift it up. So there you go. Yone road roller. So there you go. That's the video for today. Yeah. And next week, well, I don't know. Probably be glam toys. I've got some really rare ones. Okay, so yeah. See you soon, everyone. Bye!